Hey, John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and I have some very special news from Brooklyn for you. As most of you know, it's Brooklyn's 50th anniversary. They're making a very special version of the 1969 Camaro Z28 available as their 50th anniversary model. Now, this is a Brooklyn issue. It's not a club issue, so it's only available on the Brooklyn website, brooklynmodels.com. All Brooklyn models from the factory go through the website. It's been up for a while, so pre-orders have been very healthy. The model's not going to be ready till somewhere towards the end of the year, but they're making 5 different colors. I'll give you the colors in just a second. They're 195 pounds each plus shipping, and they're making 5 different colors, 50 of each color. Total of 250 cars. Now, pre-order has been very healthy. There's not a whole lot of them left. Let me give you the colors and tell you how many of each are left. In Daytona Yellow, there are 4 left. In Hugger Orange, there are 7 left. That's as of this morning. This is Monday, August the 12th, okay? The Garnet Red, there are 10 left. In Rally Green, there are 10 left. And the Le Mans Blue, there are 9 left. Now, I've given you pictures of the 1-1s so you can see what the color schemes are. They're going to have the regular front end, not the RS front end. There may be versions later on that offer the RS front end. So just so that you know exactly what we're talking about. Now, all those are out there. Hopefully you've ordered some. If you haven't, you need to move quickly. There is a 10% discount if you buy the entire set. So there are only 4 potential sets left. Now, here's the big news. Brooklyn, again, in celebrating their 50th anniversary, is staging a giveaway of a 1-of-1 model. What they're going to do is they're going to make a bare metal model out of pewter. It'll be highly polished, highly detailed. If you've seen any of the other Brooklyn bare metal models, you know how the detail just pops on these things. The lack of a paint really shows you how great the casting is. And the casting on this one is proven to be pretty nice. So they're making a 1-1 out of pewter on a very special base. It will be an entirely detailed model. It'll have all the badging, all the chrome work, the tires and everything on a custom base, and they're going to give that away. Now, everybody who bought a Camaro up until now will be entered into that giveaway. If you bought 5 models, if you bought a set, you'll have 5 entries in the giveaway. If you buy a model between now and the time they sell out, that's going to be fairly quickly, then you'll get an entry for each model that you buy. They're going to do a live broadcast when they do the final drawing. That'll be somewhere close to when the model is introduced. And you've got the opportunity to have something that every Brooklyn collector covets, a 1-of-1 from the factory with all the documentation. There will be a card. The model will be signed by Simon, by Darren, by Neil, and by Chris, all the people that work to develop this model. Look, it's a lifetime opportunity, and I'm really excited that Brooklyn's able to do something like this. I'm looking forward to seeing what that model looks like and who wins it. Now, once that model is introduced, there's going to be another version introduced by the NB Center. There is a Z28 in the NB Center collection made out of Daytona Yellow. It has no stripes. That's a highly modified car, but it looks stock. So it's going to look a lot like the other Camaros, but it will have all the NB Center packaging, maybe some extra detail too. We don't have pricing. We don't have availability on that yet, but I'll have an announcement for you as soon as they're ready. Hey, thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. If you liked the video, give me a like down there. I'd love to have you a subscriber. If you want to subscribe to the channel, there's a little subscribe panel down there. All you got to do is click on that. I'll be back again real soon. Thanks for joining me.